Leslie's calling in. So this is where I'd admit her. And so I'm going to show non-video participants is what I would need to do up at the top. And then I would, and you can put people back into waiting room 2 if you're not sure that they should be there. But what I can do with her video is, okay, I'm going to withdraw co-host permission for a moment because what wasn't showing up is the ability for me to merge. And I'm going to find that here in, so this is my, I always try to be aware of when I'm filming myself and I'm figuring things out because that face is a different face. So I try to be aware of it, but it's, and usually what shows up for me, because I've done this before, is merge. And so I'm looking in the list here, and I'm just gonna look for Leslie. And this is where having someone else help with some of the tech stuff. That's why when I've been in recent meetings and saying there's other tech stuff, you know, that's beyond facilitating, it's not showing me the merge. And we did all see that it was already there as a setup. Here, let me just see here. Show you later, merge with audio. There we go. So I can merge with audio, and Leslie phone, you've renamed yourself, which is awesome. And then I'm merging it. And now you'll get that in a video clip as to how did I do that? Because even if I shared screen, sometimes you don't see my navigation bar and how to do it. So now we can.
And I will say, oh, Christine or Patricia, it wasn't working for you because my computer was still registering that my audio was on the computer. So that wasn't on, that's why you couldn't find.
Okay.
As soon as I figured out that I had to do that here. Yeah. As soon as I figured out that it wasn't acknowledging that.
Right.
Because as soon as I pressed the button on here, then you said, oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Right. So it just means that I can't be on in 2 different ways.
Right.
So I had to actually disconnect. So that was my learning curve.
Okay. And you know what? This is good live. There's nothing wrong with this live. The reason why the merging is so important is when you go to breakout rooms, you have the face in one room and the audio in another room. And then people are saying, there's somebody here, but they're not saying anything. Are they supposed to be here? And they're very worried and concerned. Or, you know, or people can hear, but they can't see their breakout room people as well. So what I'm going to do right now is put you into breakout rooms briefly. And Leslie, then I'm going to ask you to hang up the phone, come out of the meeting, and then just use that link to come back in. And I'm going to be recording then how I'm putting you back into a room. So don't do it just yet. I'll first put everybody, I'm going to assign 3 rooms automatically. That's 3 to 4 participants per room. You'll see this in the additional clip. I'm going to create the rooms, and I'm not, you can check my other video for all the other things that you can do with breakout rooms. I'm going to just open them now. And then Leslie, in a minute, just hang up. Got my breakout rooms. I can see who's all in there. I could move anybody. Let's move you to room 3. You can tell me how that felt. And then I'm waiting for Leslie. I'm going to broadcast everybody to 3 more minutes. Broadcast. And then I'm going to admit you. Okay. Thanks, Leslie. So now I'm screen recording. You've popped up now into the unassigned, and I can send you to one of the rooms. And now I'm going to join one of the rooms. And then I want to see participants because that went away. I want to see my breakout rooms. I can join another room and then
Oh, hi, Patricia.
Hi. Just thought I'd pop in. I'm screen recording how you do this to add on to my other video. I'm going to end the meetings right away, but I hope that this has been a helpful exercise. Do you have a question while I'm here?
Yes. Can you pop in to a different meeting?
I did. As the facilitator, I can pop in and out of the rooms.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it is. It's really exciting to be able to do what we do in person, walking around to the different tables. We can actually do this online too.
I want to know how to do that.
Okay. Okay. So yes.
You cannot, the co-host can now also do that, correct?
Yes, yes. The co-host can do that as well. That's a great point. So I'm going to leave the room. I'm going to end the breakout rooms, and then we'll come back all together.